Navaratri is a time that brings out celebrations in every house across the country. This time also reinforces the power and standing of a woman in the society. Here is a curation by Q Shala celebrating 5 women achievers from around the world. A 29-year-old Maria landed in Peru as a governess to the children of German consul in Cusco after completing her studies. She accepted the country as her own and after 2 years settled in Lima as a German teacher. One day, she met Paul Kosok through a friend. Kosok had taken aerial pictures of strange lines spread over 140 square miles. Maria was intrigued by these lines. She then set up camp in the desert and started preserving and studying these Nazca lines. Maria Reshi, popularly known as the Lady of the Lines, she concluded that the lines were an astronomical calendar. Maria Rishi was called mad, lost her finger to gangrene, but all these did not stop her from finding the truth. Haven't we all desired to fly in the sky? Young Ada Lovelace, daughter of Lord Byron, had the same desire. But she did something differently. Ada started observing the birds, their feathers, small flying insects. She then recorded her observations in a book named Flyology. Her love for numbers and mathematics reached its glory when she met mathematician Charles Babbage and joined hands with him to build the analytical engine, modern computers' ancestor. She compared the engine to Jacquard loom and also wrote the first program to weave the Bernoulli numbers. Social stereotypes did not stop Ada Lovelace from being observant and changing the world. In 1973, China's Dandong, a couple was blessed with a baby girl. As the father was a violin and cello maker and the mother was a pianist, they named their daughter Jian, which means string. Jian's mother wanted her to start learning piano, but during the Cultural Revolution, all pianos were destroyed. Jian's father then collected broken pieces of the instrument to make a piano. During her schooling, China's first female conductor Zheng Xiaoying pushed Jian to learn the works of a conductor. From holding a chopstick as her conductor's baton initially to becoming the first woman music director at New Jersey Symphony, Jian Zhang has literally made the world's way to her music. Do you know what is common between Daxing International Airport in Beijing, Al Wakra Stadium in Qatar, the London Aquatic Centre for 2012 Olympics, and Maxi Museum in Rome? It is Zaha Hadid, Iraq-born architect who deconstructed the entire field of design. Back in 1983, Hadid's entry to the Peak, an architecture competition, gave her huge recognition. Her designs, even though getting a lot of praise, did not get materialized. This gave her a title, Paper Architect. Zaha Hadid broke this ceiling first when the Vitra fire station in Germany stood beautifully on the ground, but looked like a bird in flight. In 2003, she became the first woman to design an American museum, and in 2004, she became the first woman to win the Pritzker Architecture Prize. Zaha Hadid's dedication and work stand tall even today in the form of the wonderful buildings she designed. A woman And that too from lower caste getting education? What doom will she bring upon us? This is what everyone around a young Savitri Bai Phule told when her husband Jyotirao Phule encouraged her to read, write and teach others. Hailing from Naigaon in Maharashtra, Savitri Bai got trained in Teachers Training Institute in Pune. Post her training, joining hands with an activist, Shaguna Bai, Savitri Bai started the first school for girls run by Indians in Bhidewada. Popularly called the first female teacher in India, Savitri Bai brought in many initiatives like incentives for children to attend the school, parent-teacher meetings and lunch at school. Breaking social stereotypes and equipping women to be empowered was not easy for Savitri Bai, but her efforts and determination is still a guiding light for many women who would want to make a change in the world. Hundreds of such women are inspiring us every day to make this world a better place for all, irrespective of gender, race and color. If you like this video, like and share it with your friends and family. Do subscribe to Qshala for more such content. Be a part of Qshala Family Quiz this Sunday to have a fun time with family.